tawag nito ba na na sa West Kowloon. As in, what do you call this? Order po. Dapat sikat kita na makakapagay. Let them not look at it. Hold on, let me find it.
Ayun, may kwan. Nakalagay ba? Nothing is what it seems in Alicia Creek.
Ayan nga yun. The plastic-looking white outdoor chair seems to be crushed by heavy natural stones.
Ay, talaga? So, hindi siya plastic.
So, ano siya?
Sturdy bronze.
Ay, oo nga.
Bronze.
Ayan na.
Okay, so this is not plastic. This is a sturdy bronze materials. Ayun. Okay. Pinaupo nila yung mga bato.
Ayun, meron pa isa ma-ihol. Punta tayo doon.
Wala namang
art yan.
Art.
Bakit kaya?
Oo, wala namang ano. Wala namang...
Kasi yung isa nandun sa loob eh.
Ay, oo. Okay. Kuanan. Steve, videohan mo lang. Dali, kasi baka may magdating. Yan. Another certified pickleball addict. Nakasmile pa. Okay. Back view. Side view.
Oh, certified addict ito.
Smile.
Oh. May smile ka pa eh. Nahuli ka na nga lahat.
Ito lang yung pirsuan na masaya. Ano to, damit nila. Uniforms. Taga, bigyan na sila ng tabo. Buti may chinelas din. Undergoing a body check. So they have number. Ayun. Arrested for being a CPA, certified pickleball addict. Wow.
Ano ito?
Office. Office. Following the rules. Yan. Keeping hold of your identity card. Having a mugshot taken. Parang office nila, no? Being fingerprinted. Ha? Ayun. Sige nga.
这个也看看也值得。
换一个出场了。杨毅。Celebration and ID.
Wait. How to...
CR, yan ang CR nila. Toilet. Yan, oh. Buti dito may bed. Ay.
Doon tayo.
I like it. Hindi may kumalo.
Yeah. Who were the inmates? We're at Heritage Exhibit. What is prison life like? Wow, huh? Let's see. Steve. So this is how small the room are. So one prison cell for one person. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So they sleep on the floor.
I don't think that it's one. Siguro dalawa yan sila
Baka
dito.
dalawa, no? Oh my gosh. Prison yard.
Dito entrance ba?
Alam mo, siguro kaya na lang ko. We're at the prison yard.
Right? Prison yard.
Going up to the left.
Ito ko yung mga
Wow, ganda.
picture ko yun dyan sa gitna. Dito
Okay,
ko.
okay.
Para kita yung...
Wow, para tayo na sa Paris. We're in Paris. We're transported.
Ano yung tawag dito?
This is amazing. Ayan. Ang ganda.
May ko, call tapos dito. Yan. Ready, one. May ko sige. 1, 2, 3. Uy, naka-timer. 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're at the longest escalator here in Hong Kong. And we're going to
Typhoon.
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 Poon.
Typhoon. Typhoon. And, which is previously a prison.
Old prison cell.
Old prison cell. But now it's converted to restaurants.
Yes. Museum.
Museum. Yeah, National Museum of Hong Kong. Wow. Longest escalator. Dito tayo.
Tama. Tingnan mo, yan, ang daming nakuha ko. Ang daming mag-picture. Kasi isa siya sa mga highlights.
Street Food Central.
Ganda, no?